Hey everybody, Eric Wyndham here, back out here at North Hills at Fairhope, Fairhope's premier custom home community. Just want to give you a little update, just in case you missed the first video. North Hills at Fairhope is a 97-acre project encompassing 112 lots. Phase 1 that we're working on right now is 48 lots. We're located on the north side of 104 between Highway 181 and County Road 13. We've got Auburn Extension Service on one side of us and a private 80-acre estate on the other side of us. And to the north side, we have a wetlands buffer, so we're well insulated here, so your investment is protected. Phase 1, like I said, is 48 lots. We've been working on it for about a year with our road builder, Ammons and Blackman. Great folks, can't say enough good things about them. Today, they're currently working on putting in paving all the way up the hill, since Mother Nature decided to cooperate with us with a few days of dry weather. We'll hope to have that paved today, and we hope to have Phase 1 coming online the first part of April. We'll be working with some of the area's premier custom home builders. We'll have a builders guild where you can come and choose from one of those builders to build your dream home out here at North Hills at Fairhope. On lot 37 over here at the top of the hill behind that signature oak tree, we will be building Mobile Bay Magazine's Inspiration Home for 2020. The good folks at PMT Publishing have honored us with the ability to be involved in that project. It benefits the USA's Women's and Children's Hospital, and all the proceeds from that will go to them. And we're just really honored and blessed that the folks at PMT Publishing have chosen us to be involved with Mobile Bay Magazine's Inspiration Home for 2020. The builder is going to be Cameron Reehl with Reehl Co. The designer on that project is Rob McCowan of McCowan Design, and we're real excited. That home should be up and ready for showing November and December of this year. Please check back with us for updates. We'll be doing future videos to keep you abreast of what's going on out here at North Hills at Fairhope, Fairhope's premier custom home community.